My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Drinking Well. So this Drinking Well is the extension that actually operates as a browser hijacker. It is because it changes the default search engine settings without the user's permission. And if this extension is installed, users are forced to surf the web through other unfamiliar search engines not chosen by them initially. So this Drinking Well is not the extension that you want to keep on your computer. If it was installed by mistake, you need to get rid of it. As I said, it may basically change your default search engine without your permission, so you will submit some search queries and very often the results may be delivered by some other unfamiliar search engines. To remove this extension, access the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this extension from your Google Chrome. We also recommend you to carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.